Will the Apple Watch Series 9 have a completely new set of design elements and an improved temperature sensor so it can monitor more than just women's health? In today's video, we will be talking about the upcoming Apple Watch Series 9 and everything you should expect.
Now let's get started.
Display. The Series 8 did come with a tremendous improvement in brightness, which makes the screen substantially brighter outside. But a mini LED screen would be wonderful for the Series 9, since it is better at expressing a wider variety of colors, which would provide your Series 9 with a terrific upgrade in visual experience. Even if that doesn't happen, we still anticipate a terrific screen with an always-on display that is scratch and dust resistant. Since its introduction, the majority of consumers have grown to adore the always-on display feature. But given that it consumes the majority of the watch's battery, will Apple be working on a battery life upgrade? Keep watching. We'll discuss that soon. The Apple Watch Series 9 is also anticipated to come with a very narrow bezel and a wide variety of watch faces, as Apple appears to be working hard to make the Apple Watch have a huge screen-to-bezel ratio.
Ow! Let's go nuts!
Design. Though there has been speculations that the anticipated watchOS 10 will introduce new features and design in the upcoming Apple Watch Series 9, it's quite early to be certain about that. As McRumors puts it, it's a safe bet that WWDC 23 will happen at the beginning of June 2023. With the exception of 2020, the conference has been held in the first week of June, with few exceptions. This will give us an in-depth look at the new features that the Apple Watch Series 9 will come with. How will the release of watchOS 10 affect the cost of the Series 9 Apple Watch? Stay with us. We'll discuss that later in this video. In the worst case, however, we can anticipate a 41mm and 45mm rectangular Apple Watch Series 9 smartwatches coming in stainless steel and aluminum chassis, or probably a titanium one, since we are anticipating that the iPhone 15 series would come with a titanium chassis. We can also be sure that the rumored flat-edge design won't feature in the Series 9 because the Apple Watch Ultra came with that design. And it is unlikely that Apple would change the Series 9 design altogether to look like the Ultra. Due to past records, we also expect that the Series 9 will come with exclusive colors instead of just sticking to the midnight, graphite, starlight, and product red that the Series 8 came with. We are eager to bring you any updates concerning the Apple Watch Series 9, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on our timely updates. Battery life. Though we better not expect a significant increase in battery life with the Series 9, we do anticipate Apple to handle the battery a little better this time. The Apple Watch Ultra had a noticeable improvement in battery health, but not everyone is interested in the sporty-looking Ultra. As a result, even though there hasn't been much improvement in any of the previous series, we anticipate an upgrade of the Series 8, which had a battery life of 18 hours on average and up to 36 hours when using the low power mode that was just added.
Oh man.
Principal health features. Apple has been diligent in enriching the Apple Watch with great health features, and the Series 9 will be no exception. We anticipate that the Series 9 will maintain the heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, and new crash detection features that debuted with the Series 8. The Series 8 introduced a fantastic method to predict ovulation in women.
If you're trying to conceive, knowing if and when you ovulated can inform your family planning and conversations with your healthcare provider. Today, the most common way to track the biphasic shift is manually with a thermometer and journal. Series 8 makes this much easier and more convenient by providing new, automatic, retrospective ovulation estimates.
And we are also optimistic that there will be an advancement in the monitoring of general body temperature. There will undoubtedly be a ton of options for both indoor and outdoor workouts in the Series 9.
Watch out, little Teddy.
Price and release date. Based on previous prices, we anticipate that the price of the 41mm GPS-only Apple Watch Series 9 will start at $399, the 45mm GPS-only at $429 and the cellular inclusions at $499 and $529. This has been the usual price for the previous series. However, if Wear OS introduces so many feature changes, or if the Series 9 has a titanium chassis, it is realistic to expect a price hike. Do you anticipate the Apple Watch Series 9 to include a significant number of feature updates? Tell us in the comments section. Just like almost every year, we're expecting to see the release of the Apple Watch Series 9 alongside the iPhone 15 series in September this year. The Apple Watch Series 9 promises to maintain Apple at the top of the industry because Apple is determined to remain there. But how well is Wear OS matching up to the standard? One of the most recent Wear OS releases, the Google Pixel Watch, was created through a partnership between Fitbit and Google to infuse Fitbit's health features into the Google Watch, creating one of the most aesthetically pleasing smartwatches ever. Check out the features of the Google Pixel Watch in our next video. Beautiful Google Pixel Watch detail. Is it worthy? We'll see you in the next video.